Hello, friends, and happy summer. Do you like my shirt? I'll be in my office. This is my office in the summer. I love it. I love gardening and flowers and vegetables and plants and all that stuff. And my sweet sister in Utah got me this shirt. So it's so much fun. My name is Wendolyn Davis. I'm a certified life, health, and weight loss coach. I work as a mindset coach, and I'm a social worker, and I have a master's in educational psychology. I love learning and figuring things out. When we moved to Illinois in 1997, I became really good friends with a girl named Annette, and her family ate healthy. They cared about the ingredients that they put into their body, and I learned so much from her, for which I'm forever grateful. So in this video, I wanted to share with you that ingredients do matter. What we put into our body absolutely makes a difference. We have so many cells in our body. We have our organs and all that stuff. And I am not the expert on that. But I do know that to stay vibrant and healthy, you've got to feed them what they need. And the food industry, they might not have that in your best interest. Food these days is designed to be addicting. It has the right amount of fat, sugar, and salt. And in our world of being so busy, we live for convenience. And so there's more and more and more processed foods that are convenient, but they are wreaking havoc on the body. Just more health problems in general. There's inflammation, headaches, aches and pains. It's hard for the immune system to keep up. There's more diabetics than ever before. There's more heart problems. There's more cancer. So if you want to take care of your body, then it absolutely matters the food that you put into it. And that's what I am so passionate about. The food I eat is for my future self. I eat to live. Most people live to eat. So where are you? And what do you want? Most people are like, well, I just love food. I love the taste of it. But guess what? The food I eat, I love the taste too. And so it doesn't have to be that you're depriving yourself of something that tastes good. So whatever your priorities are, my priority is health and wellness. And so I choose ingredients that help me get there. So again, back to like Illinois, and just more and more time with my friend and her family. They didn't eat too much sugar. They made a lot of stuff from scratch. And I learned that Kool-Aid wasn't good for me. Of course, I like cookies and chocolate and cakes and all that stuff and donuts and the food, some more processed food, but not so much these days. My body doesn't want them. My body wants the fruits and vegetables because you really can crowd out the bad with the good. And that, my friends, feels so good to give my body what it needs to have health and vitality as the number on the calendar year keeps going up for defining my age. I'm not worried about getting old. It is what it is, right? But I'm going to take care of my body the best I can and do these videos to share with those of you who want to take care of your bodies and do the best you can, because I'm living witness to tell you that you are worth it. And it doesn't have to be hard. Anytime we start something new, it's a little hard. Like learning to ride a bike was a little bit hard. Starting a new job was a little bit hard. But the more you do something, it becomes automatic and you just do it. And so it's like whatever you want is what you can strive for, but you have to want it. What if you started looking at the ingredients when you buy something? Even checking out what Chick-fil-A puts in their food. Like I have one client this week who's 47. She just wants to be mindful. She didn't grow up with any kind of awareness of what's good or bad about food. And now she has consequences and she's ready to make some changes. And she looked into Chick-fil-A and she's probably not going to eat there as much because all the ingredients that are in that chicken and in their sauce. And I'm not saying don't ever eat that again. It's your journey, but maybe reduce it if that's your favorite. But anyway, if you start paying attention to ingredients, and if the list is so long, maybe there's another option, especially cereal. There's so many kinds of cereal. Cereal should be in the candy aisle, most of them, just saying. They're not good for the body, but there's a few that have, that shorter list that have stuff that's good for you in them. So anyway, there's so many things I could talk about with ingredients. Just know that as you increase your awareness, the desire to learn and feed your body what it desires will grow, and you will start developing the healthy habits that you desire. So just to give you one example of ingredients, that there's always a better option. Doritos, nacho Doritos. A lot of people love those. They have more than 19 ingredients, and there's artificial flavor, and there's yellow 5 and yellow 6, which are carcinogenic. It has red number 40, which is linked to hyperactivity in children. And it has MSG, which is linked to headaches and other problems in the body. And it has different kinds of oils that are not good for the body. And so that's just some of the ingredients. And there were some I didn't even know what that was. So there's chips like this. This one has flavor. They're 130 calories for 1 ounce and only 1 gram of sugar. And it does have 3 grams of fiber. Just sharing a little bit about ingredients, because I've found in my years of learning and studying the different things that have crossed my path since 1997, that they really do make a difference in our health and wellness and in our mental health as well. So my friends, what if you just start looking at the ingredients and figure out what works for your body? Because you're worth it. Health and wellness is the best thing ever. And that is one way you can achieve it, is to choose ingredients that serve you. And of course, the best foods ever are your fruits and vegetables, anything that comes from the earth, not from something somebody made from a computer. And so that's your best bet. And there's so many things you can do with fruits and vegetables and protein and the better grains. Well, your body will thank you. All right, my friends, you got this. Bye.